Hello everyone! In this part of the tutorial we will be working rounds 13 and 14. On this sample, round 13 is with mint color and round 14 with rose. Let's start our work. Round 13, color C. To start this round, we need to find fourth single crochet after last triple crochet of the shell. Okay, here's our last triple crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is our fourth single crochet and we make single crochet in it. Done. Single crochet in next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. We skip next stitch and then we make a combination of front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet in the first triple crochet of the shell. So, front post double crochet, chain 1 and one more front post double crochet in the same stitch. Ready. We skip next stitch and in the next one the same combination, front post double crochet, chain 1 and one more front post double crochet around the same stitch, and then we keep repeating the combination, skipping the next stitch, triple crochet, and in the next one making combination of front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet to the end of the shell. In total we should have 6 stitches where we make front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet, skipping 1 stitch between that groups. Okay, let's make the one shell in this tutorial. Okay, we skip next stitch and in the next one front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet. We skip next stitch and then in the next one the same combination, front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet. Okay, we already made 4 combinations and 2 more are left. We skip next stitch and front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet in the next one. We skip next stitch and in the last triple crochet again front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet. Okay, we made our repetitions around the shell. In total we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 combinations of front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet. Then we skip first single crochet of the group of the 7 single crochets of round 12, and in the next one and actually in the next 3 stitches we are making 1 single crochet. So we skipped the first single crochet of the previous round, then first single crochet, second single crochet, and the third single crochet. Our first repetition is done. Let's make a bit more. Then single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and again around the selected stitches of the shell we do our repetitions of front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet, chain 1. This we made the first one in the first triple crochet, and then we skip next stitch and the next one repeating the same combination. Actually, we will be making front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet in the first triple crochet, third one, fifth one, seventh one, ninth one, and in 11th. So in total we should have 6 combinations of front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet, and between the shells in total we will be having 5 single crochets, skipping the first one and the last single crochet of previous round. I'm pretty sure that you will be able to reach the end of this round all by yourself and meet you at the final point of this round. And the final touch. All repetitions around last shell are done. We skip the first single crochet of the group of 7 single crochets of round 12, then single crochet in the next one and one more single crochet, slip stitch into standing single crochet of round 13. Ready. We fasten off, secure the ends. Round 14 will be made of another color, color D. Round 14, a new color, color D. An easy round, but it will take some time because we will be making a lot of puff stitches. To start this round, we need to find the third single crochet after any last front post double crochet. So here is our group. This is the last front post double crochet, and we'll find the third single crochet, 1, 2, 3, the third single crochet, and we make a single crochet in it. Ready. We skip next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, 2 single crochets and the first front post double crochet, and in chain 1 space we will be making 2 puff stitches. So yarn over, pulling up a loop, again yarn over, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pulling up a loop. In total we should have 4 long loops and 8 loops in total, plus 1, 9, and closing, chain 1, and our puff stitch is ready. This chain 1 does not count as a separate element. And one more puff stitch into the same chain 1 space. Okay, 1 loop, yarn over, second loop, the third loop, the fourth loop, all together, chain 1. Okay, our first group of 2 puff stitches in chain 1 space is done. Then we will do the same with all combinations of front post double crochet, chain 1, front post double crochet in the shell. We will be skipping all front post double crochets and we'll be making 2 puff stitches in chain 1 spaces. In total, we will be having 12 puff stitches in the shell. Okay. First puff stitch in chain 1 space. Done. A second puff stitch, 3, 4 loops, closing with chain 1. Okay, 2 repetitions out of 6 are done. And now I have all the 6 repetitions in chain 1 spaces of 2 puff stitches, 12 puff stitches in total. Skipping all front post double crochets. Then we skip next 3 stitches, counting the last front post double crochet and 2 single crochets of around 13, and a single crochet in the next stitch. The third single crochet of the group of 5 single crochets of around 13. Okay, then we skip 3 stitches, 2 single crochets and front post double crochet, and again we start making 2 puff stitches in every chain 1 space of the group of the shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's continue repeating. 2 puff stitches in chain 1 space, skipping front post double crochets. Once again, all repetitions of 2 puff stitches in chain 1 space, 6 of them are done, and we skip 3 stitches, the last front post double crochet and 2 single crochets and single crochet in the next stitch. We made 2 repetitions with you. I'm pretty sure you will be able to reach the end of the round all by yourself. Meet you there. And here we are. Round 14 is done. We finish this round with a slip stitch in a standing single crochet. And we fasten off, secure the ends, because then we will continue with another color. And in the next video, we will be working with you on rounds 15, 16, and 17. Please subscribe to the playlist. The link is in the description to this video. Easy stitches, and I'm sure you will be making wonderful and beautiful blankets.